Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we delve into the reasons why Tesla built a new factory at Texas. Tesla, the pioneering electric vehicle manufacturer founded by Elon Musk, has rapidly expanded its global presence and production capabilities in recent years. One of its most significant strategic moves is the construction of a Gigafactory in Texas. This ambitious project promises to revolutionize not only the automotive industry, but also the energy sector. In this video, we will delve into the key reasons behind Tesla's decision to build a Gigafactory in Texas, exploring the economic, logistical, regulatory, and market-related factors that have made this move a crucial milestone in Tesla's growth and vision for a sustainable future. One of the reasons why Tesla is transitioning out of California is the cost of living in the Bay Area. The high cost of housing in California can be attributed to a combination of factors that create a challenging real estate market. One significant factor is the state's robust economy and job market, particularly in technology and entertainment hubs like Silicon Valley and Los Angeles. The influx of high-income earners has increased demand for housing, driving up prices. When interviewed by CNBC, Elon stated that it's tough for people to afford houses and people have to come in from far away.
There's a limit to how big you can scale in the Bay Area.
Also, with stringent building restrictions and the scarcity of available land for development, make it difficult to meet the growing demand for housing in California. Another factor why Tesla is relocating to Texas from California is the burden of long commutes for Tesla employees. Many employees at the company live further away from the city of San Francisco. Why? Because the average home price in the Bay Area for a single home is roughly $1.2 million, and many employees at the company cannot afford the prices. So for many, they reside outside the city and commute back and forth daily to the office for work. The extensive highway systems, such as the notorious Los Angeles freeway network, often experience heavy traffic congestion, leading to prolonged travel times and contribute to commutes lasting from 2 hours to 4 hours daily, in and out of the city. All of these hurdles make it difficult for Tesla to encourage fresh talent to move to California, until a new opportunity was put on the table for the company to move a portion of their manufacturing to Texas, preferably the city of Austin. Elon Musk's decision to choose Austin as the location for Tesla's new manufacturing plant can be attributed to several factors. One key consideration is the strategic geographical positioning of Austin, which provides logistical advantages for the transportation of Tesla vehicles across the United States and Mexico. The location is 5 minutes from Austin International National Airport and 15 minutes from downtown Austin. It's about 2,000 acres, Musk said during the call. Also, a combined 4 federal highways pass through the city of Austin: the US 79, US 360, US 183, and US 290. Highways that connect all fronts of the United States and Mexico. Suppliers can easily bring in raw material for manufacturing, and Tesla can export finished Cybertrucks and Model Y cars out to customers from all fronts of the United States without any lengthy delays. Austin also boasts a robust and skilled workforce, particularly in the technology and engineering sectors, aligning well with the sophisticated manufacturing processes involved in Tesla's electric vehicles. Oracle relocated to the city in 2020. Apple already opened a campus north of Austin that employs up 1,000 tech-savvy individuals. The campus opened in 2022, and Google has several offices in downtown Austin. The city has a reputation as a hub for innovation and technology, with a thriving startup culture. Moreover, Texas offers favorable business conditions, including tax incentives and a business-friendly regulatory environment, which likely played a pivotal role in Musk's choice. Throughout the state, people don't have to pay any sort of income tax to the state, Plus, the state government has a hands-off approach to companies investing in Texas, which Musk appreciates the most. Musk has also expressed a personal affinity for the city, citing its vibrant culture, recreational amenities, and quality of life as factors that contributed to his decision. With an average home price of $300,000, Austin is becoming far less costly to live than in California. More people from all regions in the U.S. are moving into the city and suburbs to find jobs or start a family. Overall, the selection of Austin for Tesla's new manufacturing plant appears to be a strategic blend of logistical efficiency, access to skilled labor, and favorable business conditions. It was widely anticipated that the Gigafactory, Texas, would be responsible for manufacturing Tesla's Cybertruck, an all-electric pickup truck unveiled by the company. Additionally, there are expectations that the facility might also produce the Tesla Model Y, an electric compact SUV to supply consumers throughout the United States and Mexico. Tesla's decision to relocate its operations to Texas marks a strategic move driven by a combination of factors. The favorable business environment in Texas, characterized by lower taxes and a business-friendly regulatory landscape, has undoubtedly played a significant role. Additionally, the state's abundant and affordable land, coupled with a skilled workforce, provides Tesla with the necessary resources for its ambitious expansion plans. Furthermore, the proximity to the Gigafactory in Austin aligns with Tesla's goal of streamlining production processes and increasing efficiency. Overall, the shift to Texas reflects Tesla's commitment to optimizing its operational efficiency, reducing costs, and capitalizing on the advantages offered by the Lone Star State.